Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the front brakes and getting them squared away. I'm going to be replacing the rotors and the pads on both the left and right side, and I'm going to do some cleanup so I can get a better idea of what the bushings look like down here. Check out this hose right here that looks to be original. Might get that replaced today, don't know, but everything else looks really good in here. Looks like we had a leak here at one time. We'll try and clean all that up as well. But today, front brakes, rotors, pads. Be right back. Here are the pads we're going to use. They came with the red Corvette. And here are the front rotors. I have a left and a right here. You can see the part number right there and right there. And they are slotted. So these are the instructions for slotted. These are rear brake pads and rear brake kit. I haven't decided whether I'm going to do those. I'm going to look at them after I finish the front brakes. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to clean up this a little bit. This a little bit. Oh, look, we got a leaf in here. Oh, look, we got a leaf in here. And yes, this is brake clean. So, got some old shirts, some rags. First thing we have to do is compress the pads inside the caliper. Then we can take the caliper mount right off with these two large bolts back here. This is the connector for the brake fluid feed line into the caliper. I don't have a large set of clamps, so I have to go get some. So I don't have a C-clamp, but I do have one of these DeWalt clamps right here. And what I did is I put a socket right there, and it's resting on the nut on this side, and I'm squeezing it and seeing what's going on here. And then these nuts back here that hold the whole assembly on are 13/16 on my car. Okay, well, that's how that worked. Don't see any Zerk fitting. To add grease, to this. Don't feel one down at the bottom or anything, or in the back. So I think we're good there. But yeah, this is These are the two here. I mean, they don't look... I'm sure if I got these turned, they would be fine. But we'll get these. Now, I'm going to take the brake off and take out the brake shoes. And we're going to torque these down to what they're supposed to be. We'll find out from the manual. So, 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter for these. And they go in like that. Cool. And that's how that works. All right. So, putting these up and then snugging these down. All right. So that's done. So we got the work done on both left and right sides of the front brakes. We got the rotors, new pads, the calipers back on both sides. There's only one thing left we have to do on both sides, and that is to torque these bolts down to 137 foot-pounds. There's two of them on the left, two of them on the right, and that's what we have to do next. Unfortunately, my torque wrench is at the garage where I store my Corvette. So I will be taking a trip there to go get that, and then we will finish the work. So I get here to the garage, I grab a couple things, and I'm looking at my Vette going, hey, there's something wrong. It's leaning to one side. And I come over here, and I find that. So I'm going to have to take care of that. Don't know how that happened, but we'll have to get that pumped up and taken care of. All right, we're back from the garage and getting the torque wrenches. I have them here. I have both my 1/4 inch and my 3/8 inch right here. And we're going to use that 3/8 inch to do that. I believe I got these at a discount tool store. Yep, 3/8. So let me. The maximum that I can set the torque wrench to is 100 foot-pounds. So I need to figure out a way to get another 37 foot-pounds out of this bad boy. There's 100. There's 100 on that one. There's 100 there. 100 there. So we get these nuts down to 100 foot-pounds. I'm going to have to go find a better torque wrench that does more than 100 pounds. It's actually 104.5 pounds right there. So I want to thank you for watching the video. We're going to wrap it up here for today and get this taken care of. We have a few things we need to take care of before we move on to the spacers for the rims and tires. And then we can go back into taking care of the weather stripping and the interior door panels on both sides and the parts that are involved in that. Alright, and we will go from there. Yeah, it closes nice. I want to thank you guys for watching the video, and you guys have a great day. Bye.